Good morning, students. In the last session, we have studied regarding the min terms and max terms for sum of product and product of sums. So, in today's class, and we have solved the examples on min term and max term, and already have given one homework. I hope you have solved. If you have solved, please send it to me. So in today's class, we will study the next concept, that is Karnaugh maps. That is Karnaugh maps. So these Karnaugh maps will helpful to solve the Boolean expressions without properties or else Boolean's laws. This Karnaugh map will be introduced by the scientist itself is Karnaugh. His name is Karnaugh. In the year of 1953, he introduced this method. You can call it as K-map. So this Karnaugh map, we can call it as K-map. So this K-map will be what? Helpful to solve the Boolean expressions without considering the Boolean properties or Boolean laws. So it will be helpful to solve the Boolean expressions without using Boolean property or else Boolean laws. Property or Boolean laws. So in this schema, we are not considering any Boolean properties like distribution law, absolute law. These properties we are not at all considering to solve the Boolean expressions in the K-map. So in K-map, you have 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, 5 variables K-map. But for your syllabus, you are having only 3, 4 and 5 variables K-map. So we'll see what is 2 variable K-map. So 2 variable K-map, how we'll design the 2 variable K-map or else Karnaugh map. K-map. So 2 variable K-map, number of cell is equals to 2 raised to n. So n, now we are dealing with the 2 variable. N is the number of cells. So 2 raised to 2, it will be 4. So we have to design the K-map for 4 cells. So cells are nothing but a combination of variable. So this is number of cells, that is 4. So variables are A and B. You can write it as A and B, or else you can interchange the variables, that is A and B variables. You can interchange the place of variables like this also. You can take B here or A here. Then the combination of variables. So cell is nothing but the combination of variables. So combination of variables we are dealing with here B, that is one variable, that is 0 or 1. Same for the A, that is 0 or 1. Here also same, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. So this is for 2 variable K-map. Then for 3 variable K-map, we'll see how the 3 variable K-map can be designed. So this is 3 variable K-map. So this is 3 variable K-map. So now number of cells is equals to 2 raised to n. So what is to n is here is 2 raised to 3. It is equals to 8. Then we have to take a 8 cells. The number of cells are 8. In 3 variable K-map, you can draw the 3 variable K-map in horizontal or vertical. So this is horizontal. 8 number of cells should be there. So this is 8 number of cells. So don't take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So this is 8 variable K-maps. So the variables are 3 variables. You can write it as A, B, C, or else you can interchange the variables places, that is you can write C here or AB here. So now next is combination of variables. So we have to represent the cells. So how will represent the cells? With the combination of variables. So what is a cell? It is a combination of variables. It is called a cell. So here we are dealing with AB. So here is C. So AB will write first. So C variable, most of the time we used to take the top rows 2 variables. If it is considering the single variable, we'll take the 2 variables. So here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, here 1, 0, 1, 1. So why I am writing here 1, 1 and 1, 0 here? Because we used to see, we have seen the truth table like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. But in the 3 variable K-map, I am writing first 1, 1 then 1, 0. Because we have to, for every cells, we have to interchange with the only 1 bit. It means, for example, here is 0, 0 and here is 0, 1. So see, 0, 0 is same. We are interchanging the 1 bit 0 as 1. So 0 is moderated as 1. So if you write here as a 1, 0, for example, if you write same truth table like 1, 0, 2 bit are going to be changed. That is 0 is changed by 1, that is 0 is moderated by 1 and 1 is moderated by 0. So we can't change the 2 bit cells. We have to interchange the 1 bit cells. That is why I am writing 1, 1 first, next 1, 0. If I write 1, 1, check with it. 0 is moderated by 1, 1 is same. So it means only 1 bit is changed. So next is 1, 0. So 1 is same and 1 is replaced by 0. Here is 1 bit is changed. That is why I have written first 1, 1 then 1, 0. Second one, same combination. Here is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Sorry, 1. So this is for 3 variable K-map. The number of cells are 8. You can draw vertical also for 3 variable K-map. That is vertical, how it will come. In this way, vertical. 8 number of cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So variables, you can take C here or AB here. Or else you can interchange the variables. You can write it as AB here or C here. So next is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is 0 and 1. Here 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is for 3 variable K-map. Next is for 4 variable K-map. So 4 variable K-map. So number of cells. Number of cells is equals to 2 raised to n. So n is 4. So that is 2 raised to 4. It will be 16. So now we have to plot the number of cells as 16. So combination of variables are A, B and C, D. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Same here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. For example, they give A, B, C, D value as 1, 1, 1. Or else A, B, C, D value as 1, 1, 1, 0. So now we'll see how we'll write the K-maps. So value of AB is 1, 1. So value of AB is 1, 1. Then the value of CD is also 1, 1. So value of CD is 1, 1. So there we have to write a 1. In the next example they have given as 1, 1, 1, 0. So AB value is 1, 1 and CD value is 1, 0. See, the AB value is 1, 1 and CD value is 1, 0. Here we have to write 1. So this is regarding the 4 variable K-maps. So next we'll have to group the cells that we can discuss in the next class. So today's class we have discussed how to plot the K-maps based on the variables. So based on the variables, we'll get the number of cells. So based on the number of cells, we have to plot the K-map. If it is a 2 variable K-map, then the number of cells will be 4. Then the combination of variables are 0, either 1. You can interchange the variables places. The next, for 3 variable K-map, then the number of cells, that is 2 raised to n, number of cells will be 8. You can draw the 3 variable K-map either horizontally or else vertically. And why we have taken 1, 1 first? Because we need to interchange or we need to change the 1 bit for every cells. So after every cells we have to interchange the only 1 bit. If we take the 1, 0 here, after this 0, 1, if we can't take 1, 0 over here, because if we take 1, 0 over here, it will be changed by the 2 bit. So 2 bit we can't change. Because of this reason we are taking 1, 1 first, then 1, 0. Then you can draw the for 3 variable K-map vertical also, and you can interchange the variable places. And for the 4 variable K-map, number of cells are 16. Then the combination of variables to produce cells, we have taken A, B, C, D. Same truth table we are following, that is 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And for example, they have given the value of A, B, C, D as 1, 1. Already I have shown that AB value is 1, 1. Here is 1, 1. And CD value is also 1, 1. Then we have to see where it will come. There we have to write 1. And next example, ABCD value is 1 1 1 0, then AB value is 1 1, that is 1 1, and CD value is 1 0, and this is 1 0, there we have to write 1. So next grouping will come. So in the next session we'll start with the grouping. That is, in the next class we'll solve the examples on 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables and 5 variables. For your syllabus, you are having only 3 variables, 4 variables and 5 variables. So in the next class, we'll solve the examples on K-map. Thank you.